Is it time? Are we living in the future? Are the robots taking over? Not quite yet, but for Austin-based startup Apptronik, robots are being developed and are here to stay. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Head to cyberguy.com for more quick tips and to sign up for my CyberGuy Report newsletter. Meet Apollo, Apptronik's latest general-purpose humanoid robot. Apollo is a 5'8", 160-pound robot intended to help out people in industrial, retail, and manufacturing settings. Apollo is able to lift and carry a payload of 55 pounds, 25% of Tesla's Optimus robots, and can run for about 4 hours on its swappable and rechargeable battery. I don't know about you, but just hearing about lifting heavy objects nearly nonstop for 4 hours straight sounds exhausting to me, and I can't quickly change my battery and be good to go for another 4 hours. Apptronik sees robots like Apollo not as a replacement for the human workforce, but as a tool to be utilized to complete and fulfill tasks. Apptronik looks to tackle labor shortages, reduce turnover, improve efficiency, and reduce work-related injuries with robots like Apollo. Now, although Apollo is not fully ready to be implemented into the workforce, its hardware is getting closer to becoming work-ready. And I sure am waiting for it because my back is killing me. The future truly is a lot closer than you think. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free CyberGuy newsletter.